and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Emalahleni, and I'm back with another vlog. So today we are at Robert's estate with my friends and we're having a picnic. Yeah.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still saying what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They're using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame, they'd rather be wild. This is brandy, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. Read my products, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a drought. See you
Thank you so much.
Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Not from the couch, back.
Do anything for club. 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 They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you some other brother, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. Got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I one and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have. I love you like this. You're the best I
Let's go.
It's how I get here. I feel my face. I still love you. Rather be strong and alone. I get the sense that it's cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to rationalize you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you is out of reach. Was at the bottom, I get with your perfect keys. Now I'm in a phase, man, now I'm a gaze. Now you play your face down, I'll be saying nobody. I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'll be in nervous to tell me there's a right. And I just want you. And you know when we're all I love you right. You're the best idea. Here's no anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God. Make them they talk, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls after that, inshallah, with them move. Question, but then look at
answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer, Bassa, Lubedu. Never sing a salad when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. I say I know see waiting you do. See when we go get a while like to listen. Got the money console. Anything you wish me.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did prove by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both. Like the Baba cry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now see what you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it.
So guys, obviously it's like a fucking in a good vlog, but it doesn't matter. So we're about to take a bath. So I'll see you guys when we're done bathing. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? You can have this place on earth. Take you where I take you. Show you something, give you more than words. You can have this place on earth. Take you. So guys, I'm finally done bathing. So yeah, I'm about to finish off with the skincare. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Now I'm using the hyaluronic acid-free serum. It's for moisturizing, brightening, and anti-aging. It has micromolecules with good fluidity and strong penetrability. It's effective and it hydrates. It also replenishes collagen to skin. It maintains its moisture oil balance and fundamentally solves various problems, including skin aging.
Welcome. Don't mind my room. It's dirty.
My name is Emalahleni.
And I'm the housekeeper.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thank you guys guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
I feel like making you, oh no no. I feel like making you, oh baby, I know,
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment on what content you'd like to see next. Until next time, bye.
Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I